Hi everyone, this is Aparna. I am a BCom ACCA student. After completing my BCom, I had the idea to take few computer courses which would help me land in a better job role in the current job market. And that's when I saw an ad provided by DCA Technologies about Advanced Excel. I wasn't quite familiar with the three courses, that's SAP FICO, Advanced Excel, as well as Diploma in IFRS. I contacted Mr. Arjun Prakash, and sir was kind enough to explain me about all the three courses. Even if I had no idea about what these three courses were, he kept explaining it to me over and over again, making me understand how it was an added advantage in my CV in order to help me land in a better job role. And I can highly assure you the fact that today I'm being very happy and grateful that I completed these three courses, because for every job vacancies that I lately see, the skills required for students are stated to be, one of them might be SAP FICO or Advanced Excel or either Diploma in IFRS. So I'm really grateful that I took these three courses today, and I really want to thank DCA Technologies for helping me complete these three courses. The mentors provided by DCA Technologies were top notch. They kept understanding our doubts and clarifying it at the right time, and at what level we needed it. They even were patient enough to cover all our doubts in a proper manner. Even if we didn't understand it, the mentors were really kind enough to explain it to us in the most detail and in the most simple manner. And thank you so much to DCA Technology, Mr. Arjun Prakash sir, and all the mentors provided by DCA Technology for helping me complete these three courses at the correct time, and helping me in order to apply for vacancies which would help me land in better job roles. So thank you so much, DCA Technologies. I'm always grateful to you guys.